In this video, I will show you how to bring back the Windows 10 style context menu on Windows 11. First click the Start button. Now click the search bar and type CMD. Right click on command prompt and choose Run as administrator. Now type the following command to enable the classic right-click context menu and press enter. You should now see the message, the operation completed successfully. Next type the following command to close File Explorer and press enter. Now type this command to start File Explorer again and press enter. Now minimize the command prompt window and right click anywhere on your desktop. You will now see the classic Windows 10 style context menu back on Windows 11. If you want to return to the modern Windows 11 context menu later, you can undo the registry change again. Open command prompt as administrator. Now type the following command to revert the right click context menu and press enter. When confirmed, type yes and press enter. Now right click anywhere on your desktop. You will now see the modern Windows 11 context menu again. And that's how you can switch between the classic and modern context menu on Windows 11 easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.